Bro, I gotta rant for a second. You ever notice how some limited items on Roblox just never actually run out? Like hello, it's not limited if everyone and their cousin can still buy it 6 months later. They call it exclusive, they slap a timer on it. Everyone panics and rushes to buy it, and then boom, it's still there, forever. Like,